Let's explore the most spectacular natural wonders on Earth. Can you guess them all? Which massive canyon in Arizona was carved over millions of years by the Colorado River? Is it A, Copper Canyon, B, Grand Canyon, or C, Fish River Canyon? It's B, Grand Canyon. It is over a mile deep. What is the name of this giant living coral reef system in Australia? Is it A, Great Barrier Reef, B, Mesoamerican Reef, or C, Red Sea Coral Reef? It's A, Great Barrier Reef. It is visible from space. Which mountain shown here is the tallest on Earth above sea level? Is it A, Mount Kilimanjaro, B, Mount Fuji, or C, Mount Everest? It's C, Mount Everest. It stands in the Himalayas. Which famous, powerful waterfall sits on the border of the USA and Canada? Is it A, Niagara Falls, B, Victoria Falls, or C, Angel Falls? It's A, Niagara Falls. It consists of 3 waterfalls. Which iconic, snow-capped volcano is the tallest mountain in Japan? Is it A, Mount Fuji, B, Mount Vesuvius, or C, Mount Etna? It's A, Mount Fuji. It is an active volcano. What is the name of this colorful natural light show in the night sky? Is it A, solar flares, B, northern lights, or C, shooting stars? It's B, northern lights. Solar particles cause this glow. Which giant South American jungle is the largest rainforest in the world? Is it A, Congo rainforest, B, Daintree rainforest, or C, Amazon rainforest? It's C, Amazon rainforest. It covers 9 South American nations. Which massive hot desert covers most of North Africa? Is it A, Gobi Desert, B, Sahara Desert, or C, Atacama Desert? It's B, Sahara Desert. It is the largest hot desert. Which famous Irish natural wonder is made of thousands of hexagonal basalt columns? Is it A, Giant's Causeway, B, Staffa Island, or C, Fingal's Cave? It's A, Giant's Causeway. It was formed by ancient lava. Which super salty lake allows people to float effortlessly without swimming? Is it A, Caspian Sea, B, Lake Baikal, or C, Dead Sea? It's C, Dead Sea. High salt density makes you float. Which famous geyser in Yellowstone National Park erupts on a highly predictable schedule? Is it A, Old Faithful, B, Strokur, or C, Great Geyser? It's A, Old Faithful. It erupts almost every hour. Which Venezuelan waterfall is the tallest uninterrupted waterfall in the world? Is it A, Yosemite Falls, B, Angel Falls, or C, Iguazu Falls? It's B, Angel Falls. It plunges over 3,000 feet. Which ancient Siberian lake is the deepest and oldest freshwater lake on Earth? Is it A, Lake Baikal, B, Lake Superior, or C, Lake Victoria? It's A, Lake Baikal. It is over 5,000 feet deep. Which massive waterfall system features a giant semicircular drop called the Devil's Throat? Is it A, Niagara Falls, B, Victoria Falls, or C, Iguazu Falls? It's C, Iguazu Falls. It has over 200 drops. Known locally as the smoke that thunders, which African waterfall is this? Is it A, Victoria Falls, B. Tugela Falls, or C. Blue Nile Falls? It's A. Victoria Falls. It forms a giant sheet of water. Which natural wonder in Turkey is famous for its bright white terraced pools of thermal water? Is it A. Yellowstone terraces, B. Pamukkale, or C. Semuk Champe? It's B. Pamukkale. Its name means cotton castle. This stunning sandstone rock formation in Arizona is known by what wave-like name? Is it A. the wave, B. the arch, or C. the helix? It's A. the wave. It features beautiful swirling sandstone. Which volcanic islands are famous for unique animals like giant tortoises and marine iguanas? Is it A. Seychelles, B. Galapagos Islands, or C. Hawaiian Islands? It's B. Galapagos Islands. They inspired Darwin's evolution theory. These towering needle-like limestone formations in Yunnan, China are known as what? Is it A. Crystal forest, B. fossil forest, or C. stone forest? It's C. stone forest. They look like trees of stone. Which world-famous salt flat in Bolivia transforms into a giant natural mirror when wet? Is it A. Salar de Uyuni, B. Bonneville Salt Flats, or C. Badwater Basin? It's A. Salar de Uyuni. It is the world's largest salt flat. Which amazing cave system in Lebanon features the world's longest stalactite? Is it A. Mammoth Cave, B. Jada Grotto, or C. Carlsbad Caverns? It's B. Jada Grotto. These limestone caves span 6 miles. Which beautiful Vietnamese bay is famous for thousands of towering limestone islands? Is it A. Ha Long Bay, B. Phang Nga Bay, or C. Milford Sound? It's A. Ha Long Bay. It features thousands of limestone karsts. These bizarre umbrella-shaped dragon's blood trees are native to which isolated island? Is it A. Madagascar, B. Socotra, or C. Mauritius? It's B. Socotra. It has incredibly unique plant life. This razor-sharp forest of limestone needles called shingi is found in which island nation? Is it A. Sri Lanka, B. Indonesia, or C. Madagascar? It's C. Madagascar. These sharp towers are eroded limestone. Which national park in Croatia is famous for its 16 terraced lakes connected by waterfalls? Is it A. Plitvice Lakes, B. Južajgo Valley, or C. Lakes of Killarney? It's A. Plitvice Lakes. The cascading lakes are stunningly colorful. This famous slot canyon, known for its smooth, flowing sandstone walls, is located in which U.S. state? Is it A. Utah, B. Nevada, or C. Arizona? It's C. Arizona. It was carved by flash floods. Which New Zealand cave system is famous for being illuminated by thousands of tiny glowworms? Is it A. Waitomo Caves, B. Blue Grotto, or C. Postoina Cave? It's A. Waitomo Caves. These glowworms are unique to New Zealand. This sheer, flat-topped Tepui mountain serves as a border point between Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana? Is it A. Table Mountain, B. Mount Roraima, or C. Mount Fitzroy? It's B. Mount Roraima. It is surrounded by massive cliffs. Which multicolored, crystal-clear lake valley is located in Sichuan Province, China? Is it A. Plitvice Valley, B. Valley of Geysers, or C, Jiuzhaigou Valley? It's C, Jiuzhaigou Valley. It is famed for colorful lakes. Which massive glacier in Patagonia is one of the few that is actually growing rather than shrinking? Is it A, Perito Moreno Glacier, B, Hubbard Glacier, or C, Franz Josef Glacier? It's A, Perito Moreno Glacier. This massive ice formation remains stable. These symmetrical dome-shaped hills in the Philippines turn brown during the dry season? Is it A, Green Hills, B, Sugarloaf Hills, or C, Chocolate Hills? It's C, Chocolate Hills. They consist of grass-covered mounds. This extremely hot, colorful, and acidic hydrothermal field is located in which African country? Is it A, Ethiopia, B, Kenya, or C, Namibia? It's A, Ethiopia. It features bright yellow sulfur pools. What causes this famous Australian lake, Lake Hillier, to have a permanent pink color? Is it A, coral reflection, B, volcanic minerals, or C, algae and bacteria? It's C, algae and bacteria. They create the bright pink color. These towering sandstone pillars in China inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. Is it A, Zhangjiajie, B, Mount Sanqingshan, or C, Mount Kailash? It's A, Zhangjiajie. These quartz sandstone pillars reach high. These dramatic basalt sea stacks rise out of a famous black sand beach in which country? Is it A, Norway, B, Iceland, or C, Scotland? It's B, Iceland. They sit near a black beach. This accidental, multicolored geothermal geyser is located on private land in which U.S. state? Is it A, Nevada, B, Wyoming, or C, Oregon? It's A, Nevada. It is covered in colorful algae. This unique national park features giant white sand dunes filled with blue rainwater lagoons. Is it A, Brazil, B, Peru, or C, Angola? It's A, Brazil. Heavy seasonal rains create these lagoons. Often called the cruelest place on Earth, the Danakil Depression is located in which great continental rift? Is it A, East African Rift, B, Great Rift, or C, Jordan Rift? It's A, East African Rift. It lies in a major rift system. These spectacular water-sculpted marble caverns are located in a lake shared by Chile and which nation? Is it A, Argentina, B, Bolivia, or C, Peru? It's A, Argentina. The lake is shared by both nations. This massive circular geological feature in Mauritania is visible from space and is also called what? Is it A, Ring of Fire, B, Great Blue Hole, or C, Eye of the Sahara? It's C, Eye of the Sahara. It is a massive geological dome. Which highly alkaline African lake turns animals that die in its waters into ghostly, calcified statues? Is it A, Lake Natron, B, Lake Bogoria, or C, Lake Turkana? It's A, Lake Natron. Its extreme pH preserves dead organisms. This rainbow-colored hot spring, the largest in the United States, is found in which national park? Is it A, Yosemite, B, Yellowstone, or C, Glacier? It's B, Yellowstone. Heat-loving bacteria create the bright colors. Often called the River of Five Colors, this vibrant river is located in which South American country? Is it A, Colombia, B, Brazil, or C, Costa Rica? It's A, Colombia. Endemic plants turn the water red. This clay pan inside Namib Park is famous for dark dead camel thorn trees set against orange dunes. Is it A, Namibia, B, Algeria, or C, Australia? It's A, Namibia. It features 900-year-old tree skeletons. How many did you get right? Tell us your score below and subscribe for more awesome quizzes.